secure the bag, then I go get it. I secure the bag, then I go get it.
Alrighty guys, so this is going to be the unboxing for the Socom AR15 223 rifle. So I pretty much already took it out of the box already. This is the box it came in already. You know, my cat's in there playing with it, but woo. Anyway, so it comes packaged up like this. It's a pretty good package already. I'm pretty happy with it. Radical Firearms AR15 semi-automatic. Comes with a little lock on it as well already. I kind of already messed with that already. This is the clip as well for it. Already got one in there or whatever, but just messing around with it. Hose 30+1 as well. This is the same wrapper the lock was in though. And then this is the actual firearm. It's only $404 from Sportsman's Guide online as well. So, I mean, I really am impressed with it though. Overall, the packaging and everything. The adjustable stock's really good. It's pretty lightweight. All metal. The R engravings on there, radical. It still comes fully apart. Everything's metal. Everything is really solid. Even the adjustable stock on here too. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed. First rifle, got a little gun case from Walmart, a little cheap one there. But I'm pretty impressed with it for the price you pay. It's pretty good. But yeah, so I'll do more videos with it later on, probably some range shooting and stuff, some outdoor ranges and stuff like that, shit like that. But I'm pretty impressed. So sportsmansguide.com, get the membership from them. Get everything from Sportsman's Guide right now as you can. It's very easy. It took me literally 2 days to get this thing. I ordered on Sunday, came right in. I think it was a Tuesday. It was a Tuesday, following Tuesday, the following week. Even though the snowstorm still came in 2 days anyway. With free shipping as well to the FFL dealer. Everything was perfectly fine. So, how about that, Lou? So yeah, so I'm gonna do some more videos later on. I gotta do more videos anyway in general, but so go check it out. It's just a little unboxing from the Radical Firearms 223 Socom 15. Thank you guys for watching.